Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT effectively. Our goal is to help you find trends, write scripts, and optimize your SEO. First, get title and tag ideas. Simply type, ChatGPT, video title ideas for AI tools. ChatGPT will give you multiple, high-ranking title options. Next, let's draft the video script. Just prompt. Write a 500-word YouTube video script about free AI tools. ChatGPT will provide a perfect draft that you can easily use. Now, optimize your SEO and tags. Ask ChatGPT. Create tags and description for video on AI tools. You'll receive keyword-rich tags and SEO-friendly descriptions instantly. After that, work on your thumbnail copy. Prompt it with, "Give me 5 thumbnail text ideas for this video." Choose the best one, such as, "Grow with AI in 2025, for better clicks." Finally, generate a video outline with chapters. Use this prompt. Generate chapter timestamps. ChatGPT will break it down for you by timestamps like 0:100 intro, why ChatGPT, 0:30 title and tags, 1:10 script, and so on. As a bonus, record your pictory video, then ask, "Write 3 short social captions to share this video." These are perfect for posting on Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. You now know how to utilize AI tools for growth. Put AI to work so you can create stress-free. Which ChatGPT trick will you try first? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered tips.